VP, what's the plan now? The next hearing is September 23 pa. How will the family prepare for this? May rotation?
Okay, so I have not discussed the arrangements with next of kin and relatives here. I will discuss it with them tonight, and I will relate to them also what the President said and what the President wanted them to know. And so yes, we haven't made a resolution, but I will not leave until a relative comes to make sure that there is a next of kin giving money. Yes.
May defense team na po ba si PRRD, ma'am?
Defense team, yes. We already have a lead counsel, and there will be meetings with. We had a meeting with him yesterday, and then we will have a meeting in person when he arrives this week.
Thank you.
And how many?
Is it Nicholas Kaufman? Okay. Yes, the president already appointed. Yes, the president already appointed Nicholas Kaufman as his lawyer.
Ma'am, any comment po doon sa sinabi ni PCO Yusek Castro na walang kidnapping na nangyari sa lahat po ay may papeles tungkol po sa pag-aresto kay PRRD?
Well, it was really kidnapping. You see the comments all around the world from experts. Yes.
Parang hindi tayo maganda dito. Kasi pag natitin, mo na makita yan si Ma'am. Yung video mo, ito na yan. Ito. Yeah.
But if you talk to lawyers, they call it extraordinary rendition. But for a family member like me, that's kidnapping.
Yeah.
That's forcibly taking my father to another country and illegally arresting him. So that's clearly kidnapping.
Ma'am, mag-apply po ba si PRRD ng interim release? Interim release, sorry.
That's something that I cannot comment on because it's a legal strategy. So I would leave that to the lawyers if the lawyers would like to talk to the media. But I will not comment on legal strategy. I'll also add that because I told him a lot of people are crying.
Yes.
They are depressed, hurt, stressed about what happened and what is happening right now and what is happening in the country. And then he said, sabihin mo sa kanila, relax lang, may hangganan ang lahat.
Yes.
So remembering this from kasi I cannot take notes, I cannot take a ball pen and pen din. So sabihin mo sa kanila, relax lang, may hangganan ng lahat. There will be a day of reckoning for all.